Hello and welcome to another update video on Link. I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame here currently on the Link chart. We have some moderate upside today, but overall I think the market is waiting for the opening of the stock market. Bitcoin has been holding support so far and some other altcoins as well. And also on the Link chart we've been tracking here a week and pretty unclear but still valid 1-2 setup to the upside from the Saturday low. That's something that we are tracking on the SUI chart, on the ADA chart, on the Solana chart. So I think they all make it or break it together. Ethereum, by the way, is doing the same. And yeah, we would like to see some upside momentum from here to, you could say, validate this wave count further. Need to see some upside momentum, which eventually should take the price above this last swing high there from the 4th of August. So we want to see a break above $17.20. And this could take the price higher than eventually. And should take the price also above resistance, because just reacting to support isn't going to be enough to really confirm a full-scale upside breakout. On the Link chart, I mean, these movements are still very, very small. So we are still operating here in a broader range, as you can see. And as long as we don't really get a full 5-wave move up, as shown in blue here, the structure remains extremely fragile. So we want to see all these 5 waves completed, because as you might see, if we only get 3 waves up, it could easily be an A, B, C structure, and we come down from there. So we really need that 5-wave move up. But a reaction to this micro support zone would be a good start. Support is located between $15.77 and $16.46. So important is that we're holding above $15.77, because any break below would indicate that we might not even get the broader wave 4, that we could sell off more directly. And the question is then, okay, is this really the invalidation point? No, 1577 is not a formal invalidation point. The formal invalidation point is the swing low from the 2nd of August. That's located here at $15.45. Like on many charts, I mean, this is an absolute key level. Of course, we're tracking Fibonacci support because we want to have an early warning. So as long as the market can avoid a decisive break below 1577, I'm looking for higher prices, yeah, but the structure is still very, very, what's the right word? The structure is still very tentative, okay? So it's still very fragile, a very delicate structure here. This here was clearly only, I mean, these last 2 rallies we've had, they were clearly 3-wave movements, very clearly, not confirming any low. This here has a very, very limited structure, but on several charts, I can identify a micro 5-wave move up. So, you know, here we have another attempt to reverse, but a proper one. This here was only 3 waves. This was only 3 waves. This is potentially 5, but it's still too small to confirm a full-scale reversal. Therefore, we will watch for these 5 waves to form. Again, in case you're wondering what happens after 5 waves, well, if it really fills in these 5 waves, this might be a wave 1, and then we're going to track support for wave 2, and then from there, we can watch for higher prices. There will be a support zone. So the next objective for the bulls is to hold 1577, drive the price above $17.20, and then also above $17.91, which is the 61.8 retracement of the last decline. Just be aware that any further downside would not really, let's say, invalidate the broader structure. It just means that the local, just the very local, upside reversal attempt has failed, and the market can try again from a little lower. In that case, the support zone between 1141 and 1441 will come into focus. That's the update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. I also invite you to join us on X for additional updates, for additional chart updates, some news, and much other stuff. So check it out. I'll post a link in our video description and comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching the videos on this YouTube channel. If you've been thinking about joining MCO as a member, now might be a great time. You can use the link in the video description and apply the discount code right below it. You will get 50% off your first month of our Gold membership, and you can explore everything we offer. It's the easiest way to test the membership, see if it's a good fit for you, and get a feel for the community join the conversation, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in our member area.